My name is Jason Mueller. I work for a company called Relentless Beats. Relentless Beats, largest concert and festival promoter in the Southwest United States here. We do everything from 200-person room club shows all the way up to festivals that will draw upwards of 25,000 people a day. As a manager with my artists, I look to get them to play strong support slots from very established artists, find a direct support slot in the market like Los Angeles, Las Vegas, San Diego. There's always a bigger fish in the pond. No matter what level of the music industry you're at, I guess unless you're at the big corporate giant, it's just about developing value to your customer base, your audience, and giving them a consistent product. For me, number one, the music. If you can really connect with the fan and make them feel valued, and you can show them who you are even beyond an artist. You know, it's one thing to be a great artist, but even myself as a fan, I want to support a great person. It's passion, it's consistency, and it's being persistent. Patience, work ethic, and create the solution within yourself to go and achieve what you want. I'm floating.